3 bedrooms outlets not working, voltage registering 60 volts instead of 120 volts. Checked circuit breakers works good. How can I do troubleshooting on this outlets?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Check hot to neutral and then hot to ground. Let me know the readings.
I am not an electrician, so tell me what you mean neutral and ground. I know which wire is hot and that's all I know. Checked hot and neutral equals 60 volts.
What is hot to ground?
Hot to ground equals 21 volts.
The readings suggest that you have a bad connection on the hot wire. I'll give you a procedure to follow that may pinpoint where THR problem is. Let me know what you find. Wiggle procedure: you have a circuit with dead outlets and maybe some dead lights on it, or you're experiencing flickering on a circuit. You will need a 2-wire voltage tester to check the outlet. A multimeter or a volt/con are suggested. I prefer the volt/con because there are no settings to make, it does continuity and is audible. Success begins with knowing what you're looking for. 1. No voltage reading between the hot and the neutral or ground indicates an open hot. 2. No reading between the hot and the neutral, but 120 volts between the hot and ground and 120 volts between the neutral and ground indicates an open neutral. 3. No continuity between the neutral and ground. Check for trip GFCI device first. 4. If all the branch circuit breaker are on, you have a bad connection on the hot or neutral wires. The usual cause is a bad connection, either a termination on a device or connection in a wire nut. Over the years I've found the easiest way to locate the opening needing examination and correction is to wiggle the devices. 5. The first step in this exercise is to get a lamp to act as an alert. Make sure the lamp works and in the on position. You may also use something like a vacuum cleaner or blow dryer for an audible alert. Don't use anything electronic, like a radio. 6. Plug it into a dead outlet. 7. Now with a cube tester or any plug you will need to go to all the dead outlets and any live outlets in the area, insert the plug and wiggle the device side to side slightly. Watch the test lamp or listen for the other alerts as you wiggle the devices. If the loose or bad connection is present, the wiggle action may make it contact briefly and the lamp or the other things will alert you. Having found the suspected outlet, all that is left is to correct the bad connection. If the device is a pushback wire device, this probably is the cause of the circuit failure. All wires must be terminated under the screws. Also, you should never put more than 1 wire under a screw. This troubleshooting procedure works in most cases and won't have you open boxes unnecessarily. Keep in mind that the problem is in one of 2 places in the circuit, either in the first dead outlet or the live outlet just ahead of it.
Good service, thank you. We'll start the troubleshooting tomorrow. How am I supposed to contact you? If troubleshooting works, can I have your phone now?
The question remains open, just return as you have been.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.